Give me just 90 seconds and I'll share with you exactly how you can quit your porn addiction forever. Here's the reason why you keep relapsing. As a licensed therapist, I've worked with hundreds of men, and what I find is that they use the wrong tools without even knowing it. Let me show you what I mean. The urges that you feel are like this water. Traditional therapists and methods tell you to use willpower. So you do, and sometimes it works, but usually it doesn't. Then they tell you to distract yourself, stay busy, channel your energy somewhere else, get a new hobby, but that doesn't solve the problem. They tell you to do push-ups and exercise and really try to build your body, but none of these tools are designed to solve the actual problem. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't have a willpower problem. You have a root cause problem. And when you resolve the root cause of your porn addiction, the urges actually go away. You don't need to keep fighting them or resisting or using these tools that don't really work. They genuinely go away because you solved the reason why you've been feeling them in the first place. So if you're looking for tools on how to do that, then check out my YouTube channel where I give away my best strategies to help you find freedom from this issue for good.